Today I'm going to show you how to add arrows in a Gamma presentation quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want to point out important information, guide your audience through a process, or make your slides look more structured and professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside, go ahead and select the presentation you want to edit. This will open up your deck so you can make changes to the slide where you want the arrow to appear. Now, find the exact spot in your presentation where you want to add the arrow. Click in the text area or section where you want the arrow inserted and place your cursor there. This is important because Gamma will add the arrow based on where your cursor is positioned. Next, look at the right-hand panel. In that panel, click on the search option. This search tool makes it easier to find the type of element you want without browsing through everything manually. Once the search box opens, type in arrow. Gamma will show you different arrow style options, including bullet arrows, sequence arrows, and steps arrows. Take a moment to look through the options and choose the one that fits your presentation best. If you want a simple visual point, a bullet arrow is usually the best choice. If you're showing a process or flow, a sequence arrow can work better. And if you're building a step-by-step slide, the steps arrow is often the most appropriate option. After selecting the arrow style you want, Gamma will insert it into your presentation. From there, you can continue editing the slide, adjust the surrounding text, and make sure everything looks clean and aligned. And that's it. You've now added arrows in Gamma presentation. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it's a great way to improve clarity and visual flow in your slides. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.